Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 11, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's go into the settings. From here, choose battery. As you can see right at the top, we have the two options. So we have the normal one, power saving, and the ultra power saving. And as you can see, it gives you the amount of battery that it will preserve right now. So, well, right now we have about 17, close to 18 hours of battery. With the power saving mode enabled, it's going to jump to 22. And well, with the ultra power saving mode, it only jumps by 3.5 hours, so not much. But in the normal power saving mode, as you can see, when you enter it, it gives you a couple options that you can actually customize, and also gives you a brief description of what it will exactly do. So you have, well, start now, just to be enabled, turn on automatically. So you have the auto option that once your battery reaches 50% or 15%, it will turn on automatically. It reduces the CPU performance and exits power saving while charging. So this is just an option, again, similar to the one above here. But in this mode, things like your Wi-Fi and mobile data will be in a way disabled when the device goes to sleep, and thus your notifications will be delivered to you in bulk whenever you interact with the device. Once you wake it up, it will reconnect and then basically resend you everything that you actually didn't see that was arriving to you. And apart from that, it also drops down the max brightness, as you can see. So there's a couple things happening. And let's go to the ultra power saving mode, which will be a little bit more drastic. So as you can see, that is how the ultra power saving mode looks like. It is fairly limited. You don't even have a background here. Only the most important apps are accessible. Notification panel is also fairly severely limited. And once you want to leave this mode, tap on the exit button right here. So those are the two different ways you can access the power saving mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.